Hello everyone, this is Daniel from the family again. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a hybrid of tacos, chicken fajitas, and grilled stuffed burritos. We're going to be using 3 chicken breasts, multicolored bell peppers, and a white onion, as well as secret seasoning there again, and some shredded cheese, and some olive oil. So the first thing you really want to do here is you want to get your chicken, get 3 chicken breasts, and what you're going to do is you're going to actually slice them in half like a butterfly in order to get those thin chicken strips that you want. So you start at the fattest end and you just cut right down the middle. So I actually give you 2 whole patties to work with as opposed to the one big thick one, which will take longer to cook. Now you're going to cut it right down the middle again, and now you're going to start cutting your little slivers off. You don't want them too thin, you don't want them too thick. Olive oil your pan up, put it on medium to high heat, and start cooking your chicken. This is where you want to glaze your onions. You want to put them in about 2 minutes before you put in the peppers so that they have a chance to cook down just a little bit more. Let those guys cook until they get nice and soft. You're going to drain all your juices off your chicken because you don't want runny chicken. Put in your seasoning mix. And you want that to actually cook down to where the consistency is almost like a syrup. See how it's no longer liquid, it's more of a maple syrup viscosity. Now that we've got the peppers and everything, we're going to put it all together. Take your tortilla, lay it on your plate. You want to fill about 1/3 of the distance across with all of your toppings. Fold it in, roll it over. You're going to use cheese actually like a envelope glue here, and that'll make sense whenever you put it on your electric griddle here. It takes about enough time to cook it at 325 on each side as it does to construct a new one. So usually what I do is I will make one, put it on there, make another one, flip the first one, and just keep going. And that's your finished product. Thank you and have a good one.
Well, that's all I have for now, but this video's not quite over yet. We're expanding, so I have to plug our other channels. Total, we have The Fangirl, dealing primarily with movies and shows, Say Halo Goodbye Gaming, and The Fanily Family Vlogs. Links are in the description, and we would love to see you at all 3 channels. Okay, I think that's it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed enough to like, subscribe, and share this video. We have tons of material across our various channels that you are fully encouraged to go check out. And if somehow you can't get enough of me, please connect with me on Instagram at sayhalogoodbye or Twitter at @the_fanily.